Microsoft Azure is a public cloud platform that provides a range of products, cloud services and resources. Integrating data to Azure, essentially, needs a solution that enables its users to migrate their on-premises data to cloud, and can adapt and automate the migration process. A solution that is hybrid and can fit into any architecture of choice. On the other hand, work with Azure products to fulfill the requirements of a typical data project, and be able to evolve as new products are added. As well, be able to publish APIs that can be managed in Azure API Management. And finally, a solution that works well in DevOps practices to enable users to build CICD processes using Azure DevOps. Let's see how Stambia Component for Microsoft Azure can help your data team to be agile in your migration projects. Using a universal data mapper and replicator tools that are simple to create and easy to manage. A hybrid Stambia runtime that can fit in any type of architecture without any overhead or specific hardware requirements. Use Stambia runtime on Docker or Kubernetes and deploy anywhere. In Stambia, use dedicated templates and tools offered for different products in Azure, which reduces design time, as you do not spend time on writing manual code or designing mappings with too many steps. Publishing your data processes as a web service in Stambia can be done in few clicks. Providing users with various endpoints and open API specifications that can be used in Azure API Management to centralize all APIs and add policies. With the option to deploy via command line and API, Stambia integrates well with Azure DevOps to have CICD processes in place. With Stambia, you own a unified solution that is evolutionary and helps you master cost of integration.